Dan Williams, Survive Outdoors. It is getting close to holiday time. We are doing a gear review today on a new Olight. Fantastic company. I have the Peron PERU2, which I've had for a good part of a year and a half. Works fantastic. Has a magnetic charge on the end here, and I've used this quite a bit. So we're going to turn it on. It's got a maximum of 2,500 lumens. There's one, let's see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, it's extremely bright. So I'm going to compare this to the one we're going to review here in a minute, and that is the new one they've come out with. So the Peron 2, 2,500 lumen on high. On low, you got a kid lost in the woods or you're lost in the woods, you put that sucker on low, it'll burn for at least 12 hours on low. And I'm telling you, it is really a fantastic little light. Yes, it's chargeable, no batteries. I used to be partial to batteries all the time, but I'm starting to be swayed big time by these. Now, where I live, 4 to 5 times a year the power goes out. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, and I'm here to tell you that I recently purchased the Olight Seeker 4. Now, yeah, it's pricey, but what I got it for on, I think it was Black Friday, this is a $140 light, and I got it for $99. So I'm very, very pleased with that. That it's basically stating here on the back that on high, or turbo I should say, is 4,600 lumens, twice as bright as the Peron 2, and it's going to throw light 260 yards, so just shy of 3 football fields. And we're talking about runtime on turbo is about 30 minutes. On moonlight, it's very, very low. It'll run for 15 days on moonlight. Now, what they did with this, which is really, really nice, is you can just, it has 2 ways that you can attach this. One, you can attach this right to your wall, and it has this clip that you can attach to your belt. You can charge it, which was extremely smart, with a USB-C cable, and so you can charge it in your car. And it also has the ability to be charged with the magnetic charge on the end. And this is magnetic, and you can actually attach to your hood, work on your engine, whatever. Fantastic light and extremely bright. What they also have is on here, they have the 3 lights that tells you the chargeability. Is it fully charged? Is it not? So both of these I'm showing you were fully charged. This little guy also has, what they've done is you can use this button to turn it on like the Peron 2, or you'll see in a minute, you have this dial, which is really nice. So if I turn it on moonlight, so that's moonlight, I can take that dial and I can turn it just with my thumb and take it all the way to turbo. And you can see, I don't know if you can see out there, still light out here pretty well. And that is very bright. So, and then you can do it with the button. Moonlight. And we're going to go all the way up there to turbo. So I hold it, moonlight, 2, 2, 3, and 4. So I like this light a lot. So you'll see there's no link in the description. There's no affiliate link. This is my honest review. And I really do think it's worth buying and worth having in your pack, in your home, or in your car. So it also has these nice rubber grips on here. So raining out, you're walking through the woods, just a great light. So this is the Seeker. I think the Seeker 2, Seeker 4. Olight Seeker 4. I want to turn this around so you can see the details on the back of the box. So this guy is going to stay in my car. It's going to stay really close to one of the doors in the house when the lights go out. Can always be on charge. I don't have to worry about the batteries. And yeah, great light, guys. That's a review on the Olight Seeker 4. You might want to consider it. Take care, be safe, keep your eyes on the horizon and your face to the wind. We'll see you next time.